Now, let's talk about coffee. I know, I love it too. But you're doing it wrong. You wake up and within 5 minutes you have a mug in your hand. Wrong. Total amateur move. Your body has a natural wake-up system. Your cortisol peaks early. When you slam caffeine right away, you interfere with the natural process and create a bizarre dependency. Plus, there's this stuff called adenosine. It's basically the trash that builds up in your brain during the day to make you sleepy. Coffee doesn't actually get rid of adenosine, it just blocks the receptors, like putting a piece of black tape over the check engine light in your car. The result? The 2 p.m. crash, where you feel like your soul has left your body to go take a nap without you. Wait 90 minutes after waking up for that first cup. Let the head manager do his job first. Now we hit the afternoon. The sun is high, and you decide to eat a massive plate of pasta with a giant soda. Great job, you've just declared total war on your productivity. Your circadian rhythm already expects a natural energy dip after lunch. It's the famous siesta period. If you stuff your face with heavy carbs, your body diverts all its energy to digestion, and your brain turns into literal jello. That's why at 3 p.m. you're staring at an Excel spreadsheet and it looks like it's written in ancient Sanskrit. If you can, take a 20-minute power nap. Any longer and you enter deep sleep, waking up wondering what year it is and forgotten your own name. If you can't nap, go for a walk. Movement and sunlight in the afternoon reinforce to your brain that the day isn't over yet. Has anyone else woken up from an afternoon nap not knowing if it was 7 a.m. or 7 p.m.? It's terrifying, right? Tell your horror stories in the comments. This is where most of you really blow it, the digital sunset. The sun goes down outside, but inside your house, it's a permanent high noon. Bright white LED lights, the TV blaring, your tablet in your hand. Your brain needs darkness to start pumping out melatonin. But you insist on blasting blue light into your eyes until the very last second. It's like you're screaming into the head manager's ear, "Do not sleep, the sun is still here." Then you turn everything off, lie down, and expect to fall asleep in 5 minutes. Not gonna happen, sweetie. Your brain needs an off-ramp. This is called revenge bedtime procrastination. Because you feel like you had zero control over your day, you take revenge on your own life by staying up late doing absolutely nothing productive. You're just trading tomorrow's mental health for 30 minutes of cheap dopamine today. Is it worth it? Spoiler, no. Get this through your head, sleep is not optional. It's not a luxury for the weak. It's the time when your brain does its literal trash pickup. It flushes out toxins, solidifies what you learned, and repairs your tissues. If you're sleeping 5 hours a night to grind while they sleep, you're not a business genius, you just have the cognitive abilities of a drunk person. Science proves that sleep deprivation destroys your decision-making. You are less efficient studying for 12 hours while exhausted than you are studying for 4 hours while rested. Studying without sleep is like typing a brilliant essay and then pulling the plug on your computer without hitting save. It's all gone. Alright, enough scolding. Let's get to the point. If you want to reset your circadian rhythm, here is the anti-zombie protocol. First, morning light. Get 10 to 15 minutes of sun in your eyes. Don't look directly at the sun, please, I don't want to be sued. Second, strategic coffee. Wait 90 minutes for that first hit. No liquid asphalt first thing. Third, movement. Exercise while there's still light outside. It helps signal your peak energy. Fourth, smart lunch. Fewer carbs, more protein, and healthy fats. Your Excel sheet will thank you. Fifth, digital sunset. Use blue light blocking glasses or, better yet, turn off the overhead lights and use warm lamps at night. And finally, consistency. Wake up at the same time every single day, including weekends. I know you hate me right now, but your circadian rhythm loves routine. It hates surprises. The naked truth is that you don't need another productivity hack or a $5,000 course on how to be a millionaire. You need sleep, sun, and water. It sounds too simple to be true, right? But it's exactly because it's simple that you ignore it. Your biology is your greatest asset. If you treat your body like a dumpster, don't expect your mind to work like a supercomputer. Respect your rhythm, or it will collect its debt, and the interest rates on health are sky high. So, which one of these mistakes are you going to stop making today? I bet it's the phone in bed, but I want to see your promises, the ones I know you're going to try to break, in the comments. If you made it this far and haven't liked the video yet, I don't even know what to tell you. You just got a biology lesson and a roast for free. Subscribe to WellnessBoard for more painful truths that will actually make your life better. And for those of you who want to take your well-being and your routine to the elite level in 2026, I've got a surprise. I've handpicked some links in the description with super offers on high-quality supplements, blue light blocking glasses, and biohacking tools that I personally use and recommend. Heads up, these offers are exclusive to the first 50 people who click the links below. I'm serious, last time we posted something like this, the coupons were gone in 10 minutes. If you want to stop being a zombie and start dominating your biology, now is the time. Check the link in the description before they're all gone. Remember, today you choose your discipline, or tomorrow you choose your disease. I'll see you in the next video if you haven't fallen asleep on your keyboard by then.